Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 pipe welding machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is High Power Hot Melt Machine PPR Water Pipe. Specifications: model number, tube welders. Usage, household ironing pipe, temperature control. Weight, 1647 G. Dimensions, 3300 W. Tube diameter, 14 millimeters. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is 220V 1200W PPR Fuser Plastic Pipe Welding Machine. Specifications: brand name, JIANHUA. Model number, JIANHUA 110L. Is smart device? No. Usage, pipe welding. Weight, 1.385 kilograms. Dimensions, 110 millimeters. Tube diameter, 20 to 110 millimeters. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Pipe Welding Machine 1400W 20 to 32 millimeters pipe. Specifications: brand name, XMSJ. Usage, home DIY. Weight, 1.1 kilograms. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hertz. Power, 1400 W. Power source, battery. Usage, multi-purpose. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is 1000 W PPR Fuser Water Pipe. Specifications: is smart device? No. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Y-Deep Cordless Pipe Welding Machine PPR Pipe. Specifications: model number, pipe welding machine. Material, plastics. Is smart device? No. Usage, pipe welding machine. Tube diameter, 20, 25, 32 mm. Color, black plus blue. Rated power, 120 W. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.